The all share index is about to break out. As you can see from my chart, this is a daily chart. And you know, anytime you're looking at the daily chart, you are looking at the long time. That is why you're looking at the daily chart, because a lot of people don't understand how it works. So anytime you look at daily chart, you are looking at long time. When I mean long time, I'm looking like a week, a month, or 2 months. Then when you're looking at 1 week, that is weekly chart, you are looking at 3 months, you are looking at 6 months. Then when you go to the monthly chart, you are looking at 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Then if you are a sharp trader and you want to look at opportunities, then you should be coming around 1 hour chart, which is coming around 15 minutes chart. But as you all know, our market is not yet ready. But I think gradually we are moving to that state. And we just got an information that the market season or the market hours is about to be extended. So maybe the market will open by 9:30 and close by 5 p.m. And I think this is to consider those who are working, so that by 4 they will have chance to participate in the NGS market. This is a welcome development. Of course, when new things are coming like that, sometimes you want to find new things because you are used to the old one. Just imagine when you join the market, the normal time has been 9:30 to 5. I'm very, very sure you will not even question the timing. All you want is to make money, and that is why we are here. Without wasting time, my name still remains Investor Joseph, and you are welcome to the Financial Edge, where we talk about trade and investment so that you can gain your financial freedom. Everything we do here is for you to be financially free. Once you're financially free, 90% of your problem, if not 99%, will be solved. So what I want to share today is to look at the all share index, just to boost your confidence that we are about to start going up. Don't forget, we followed through to this point. So if you follow to this point, I will go to this point, and now we just break this resistance level, which was observed in this area here on the 26th of August, which is Tuesday to be precise. That was where this candle was rejected in this area, and this rejection was very, very massive, and we even beat this resistance level and we moved down to the second stage. And if you're watching my video, I said this part need to hold. I say if this part did not hold, I will go to tell my premium members that you should sell your stock, because we are definitely coming down to this point, and that will be massive. But I said if there's a break happening here, I'm going to watch the volume. If the volume is strong, we are going to bounce back in this region. But if the volume is not strong, guys, I will rush out to my community member and inform them that, guys, let's sell our position. The market is not friendly anymore. But from the look of things, we actually had a break here. Then when we approach this area, I was looking at the chart and say, okay, maybe we are about to see a double top at this area. And I said, if we are going to see a double top, that will mean we are going to get a rejection. And that rejection will be a buy opportunity, because I'll be expecting that rejection to be very, very strong. But we got the rejection, but it was a weak one, because it got to this part and it creates a lower highs. And from this lower highs now, we see how it shoots to a higher highs. And from this area, we'll say we have a break of structure, because we actually cross above this area. So what do we need? We need the market to sustain this run. Are we going to get it? Of course, the banking has started dropping their result, and as you can see from the dividend so far, it's not encouraging, and you know there is no FX gains anymore. You get the point. So we'll be expecting a pullback. Of course, if you've been watching me, I've told you stylishly to move away a bit from the banks, because the forbearance is going to tell on them, no doubt. So when you are not trading, you are not using hope. You forgot that hope is not a strategy, that I just hope there. No. You look at the reality. If these guys could actually pay their forbearance issue and they get out of forbearance in a short time, where do you think they will use the money from? Of course, they will use their retained earnings. And once they use their retained earnings, they will want to build it. And don't forget, they did right issue, which also dilute most of their earnings per share, and that reduces it. So for that fact, they are going to pay little of their interim dividends. Even if they have the money, they have to pay little, and that is what you are experiencing. But going forward, what do you think about the full-time dividends? Of course, people used to say a weekend that will be nice. It is on Friday that you will know. So I'm not saying anything. If you check my portfolio, I don't have any banking. I don't have issue with them. If you come for me to give you a recommendation on banking, I'll give it for free. I'll give it for free. You understand? I'll give it for free. But I don't have any of the banking in my portfolio right now. I don't have. Even financial services, I don't have in my portfolio. Why? Of course, don't forget tomorrow I might show you my portfolio and I have them. But as I'm speaking now, I don't have any. I don't have any. So I was thinking a heavy rejection will happen here. Or let's see, after this breakout, we want to see a retest. Two things will happen, either a retest or a return back to this area. So if you return back to this area, it will be amazing because by the time you return back here, we'll be seeing a double bottom. So a double bottom means the market is about to go ballistic. And the next one, we are going to break across and move. But let's hope that this will shoot to this part. So if you shoot to this part, it will be a good one. You understand? So by next month, when companies will start producing or submitting their Q3 result, I want to see this area. I want to see a breakout from this area. So I want to see a massive breakout from here. So once we get that massive breakout from here, of course, we are shooting to our 150 basis point or share index. And you see, by the time we hit this 150 point basis index, your portfolio should be green. One thing I always say, for your portfolio to give you that 50% return, that 100% return, it has to dip 10 to 20%. So most people are new in the market, they don't understand this. So when they see their portfolio red, they are like, the bottom line is, are you strategic? Are you rightly positioned? If you are rightly positioned, you will get that dip before you get that push. I experienced it in Q1. I made over 100% total portfolio. I'm not saying in one particular stock. Total portfolio 100%. That same portfolio that gave me 100% actually dipped 10%. Not even 10%, more than 10%, more than 20%. That same portfolio, more than 10%. But I know I'm rightly positioned. I know I'm rightly positioned. The second quarter, the same thing happened. The same thing happened, and I know I'm rightly positioned. So all I do is to live here, load up on here, live here, load up, and you concentrate your effort, and you have that volume there. So this period that the market is just going up and down is the right time to actually. But if you are new in the market, I understand you are used to complaining. If you get the point, so you will complain. It's normal. It's normal. But as you make progress, you realize that the market will always do its thing. The market will always do its thing. You will not see anybody that will tell you that all through the market their portfolio has been green. No. But I can tell you, I've never taken a loss in the market. Any loss I've taken is because there's another stock that will give me that loss. It's because there's another stock that I will recover that loss from. You understand? So if my portfolio is red, I smile because I know it's still going to shoot up. You get the point? So that is, I just say I should share that so that you understand how this thing works. So this is the all share index, and we are expecting this run to continue because by October Q3 will start coming up and we'll start seeing a lot of returns from companies, and this will shoot the price. I was expecting the banking to shoot, but from the interim that we've seen so far, which in the next video we'll talk about, we've not seen such. So there are some stocks that are actually done well so far. One way to make progress is to see those who have gone ahead, is to see stocks. When most people see stocks that have done well, what they want to do, they are saying which of these stocks can do this thing, instead of them to understand the pattern of the stocks. What pushes this stock? Which sector is this stock? And look at how the movement has been and see how you can spot pattern. If you want to make money in this market, ability to spot pattern, that has changed my life, guys. That has changed my life. And these are the knowledge that I've put. Most times, people are just expecting no. The stock for Tornado course is a stock that I took my time. I don't want to rush. That's why when I wasn't strong, I didn't do the video because I know the energy I want to push in that video will not flow. The energy will not flow because I'm looking at 50 to 100% that will buy that course for them to be able to make good and massive impact on their portfolio based on that course. That is what I'm doing. And guess what? If I have that 100, I will take the price of the course to ₦1 million. ₦1 million. You say why? I just want to keep people away from it. You understand? I want to keep people away from it. Because what I've realized is sometimes my customers, I'm converting them to know what I can do. So once they know what I can do now, they're no longer my customers. So that is why I'm shooting the price. So very soon, by the time they start bringing results, by the time they start showing their own chart, they are making returns and they are posting it in the internet, I'll say, this is time. Take it. ₦1 million to buy my course. 1 million. So that I will know that, in fact, if you do not join my community, no problem. No problem. So you'll be able to take that money and go. So this experience, like I said, if you don't understand trend, if you don't understand season, if you don't understand timing, you will miss out in so many things. You will miss out. But if you understand this, you click the link below and either join my community, that's the Stock Secret Society, or you pick up my course. If you are smart, you pick up my course. And for my Stock Secret Society, by January, the price is going up too. But those who are there now, those who will join from now till December, we renew at current price next year. But the new people that will be joining me, they'll be joining me at the new price. So look at Guinness. Guinness has done 103.56%. Let's quickly look at the stock. From 70, it moved to 143. Excellent. Let's look for next. Let's click next. Yes, next. Oh, this will take our time. Okay, we have Unilever. So Unilever 2 has done 103%. Why are they doing the same figure? So saw the Q3 build up 37% and saw the shoot. Let's move to the next one. So just want to blow your mind that there are stocks that can give you this return. There's no magic anywhere, and you can get this information from Nairametrics. So we have Nesto also. Nesto has done 113%. So instead of you watching those people that will be telling you if you put 1 million 6 months ago, what are you going to do? Watch out for my top stocks to buy for the remaining of the month that we have. The remaining of 2025. Watch out. It's coming out before 31st of September. I took my time to analyze stocks with 50% and 100% potential. Anyone that does not have 50 to 100% potential, I'm not putting it on that list. And I'm going to share my catalyst. I'm going to place a chart and tell you the price entry and how you can go about it. I just want to do this for free. You understand? I just want to do this for free. Do all this research and put them in an ebook. And those who are interested, who wants to buy, they are fine. So you either buy the ebook alone or you buy the ebook and the video. So if you are buying the video alone, of course the price is higher than that of the ebook. I just want to help those who don't have that time to learn all these courses. Not everybody have time to watch video, practice it themselves. Not everybody. Some people just want to say, what should I buy? Buy this. How much? They put it. So short ebook. Each page you have one stocks. So you can go through them, look at the history, look at their performance, look at their metrics, look at the entry price, look at the potential, look at the catalyst. You just pick maybe 5 from there, or you pick 6, depending on how you want to build your portfolio, and you allocate funds to it and watch your funds grow. And by first quarter 2026, we'll come and celebrate together. Thank you. So that is, I just like to share you and give you. So we have next 2, and we have the whole of it. Let's look at it. Let's look again. Let's move to the next page so that you can see the advert of this page is just too much. I would have just analyzed this for you, but let's just look at the next one. So the next one is Nigerian Brewery. Nigerian Brewery has done 119% also. Imagine you put 10 million. That's 20 million. Imagine you put 100 million. That's 200 million. Imagine you put 500 million. That's 1 billion. So that is the opportunity that we have in the market. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I get notified to my post and enriching videos like this. Until I come your way again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you all, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hands to head. See you in the next one.